12th standard English. Students, now we are going to learn about adverbs. In the parts of speech, adverb plays an important role. Let us see what is its role. Adverb, basically most adverbs tell you how, where or when something is done. In other words, they describe the manner, place or time of an action. Commonly, adverbs are formed from adjectives. Some are below. So left side we have adjective and right side that adverbs. Kind, kindly. Happy, happily. Wonderful, wonderfully. Loud, loudly. Sad, sadly. Beautiful, beautifully. Sweet, sweetly. So already we had learned that adjective. What is the adjective and what is the adverb? So we should know about the differentiate between adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives, it describes a noun, we know that, and adverbs, it describes a verb. That's all. Many adverbs end with ly. You make these adverbs by adding ly to adjectives. Many adverbs end with ly. Okay. You make these adverbs by adding ly to adjectives. Some words that end in ly are not adverbs. Some adjectives end in ly too. For example, Sam was feeling very lonely. Sam was feeling very lonely. Lone, very lonely. Ly. End with ly. She was wearing a lovely dress. She was wearing a lovely dress. What is the adverb here? Lovely. It was very lively party. It was a very lively party. So here few examples they have given it. Okay, kinds of adverbs. Manner, place, adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency, and adverb of reason or purpose. So okay, manner, adverb of manner, how will you identify, then how do you make? It describes in which manner an action is done. Adverb of place, it describes where an action is done. Adverb of time, it describes when an action is done. Frequency, adverb of frequency, it shows how many times an action is done. Adverb of reason, it describes the purpose or reason for the action. Adverb of reason or purpose. Kinds of adverbs, quantity or degree. It shows how much or in what degree or to what extent. And then affirmation, negation. Adverb of affirmation and negation, which is yes if it is yes and no if it is no. You can use. Adverbs of place. Some adverbs and adverbs phrases answers the question where. For example, here they are called adverbs of place. For example, the boys are playing upstairs. Well, this is a adverb of place, upstairs. The boys are playing where they are playing upstairs. So this is adverbs of place. So they will be asked identify the adverbs. What kinds of adverb? So this is adverb of place. The dog is in the garden. The dog is in the garden. Where is the dog? Where is the dog? In the garden. So adverb of place. We are going to New York City on our school trip. We are going. Where are we going? New York City. So this is adverb of place. It's very sunny but cold outside. Where? Which side? Outside. So adverb of place. Adverb of places. I have lived here for about 2 years. I have lived here for about 2 years. English and German are closely related. English and German are closely related. So this is adverb of place. Is Mark still in bed? Is Mark still in bed? His children go everywhere with him. So these are adverb of place. Everywhere, still, closely, here. So these are adverb of places. Adverbs of manner. So what is the adverb of manner? Some adverbs and adverb phrases describe the way people do things. For example, the girls answered all the questions correctly. The girls answered all the questions correctly. So this is adverb of manner. He was driving carelessly. The plane landed safely. Ramu plays guitar skillfully. So these are adverbs of manner. Describes the way people do things. Okay, it called as adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. They watched carefully. How does watch carefully? The flower was beautifully made up. The flower was beautifully. She seemed faintly. The team played wonderfully. So these are adverb of manner. Adverbs of frequency. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question how often an action is done. They are called adverbs of frequency. For example, the children always go to school on the bus. The children always go to school on the bus. I will never make that mistake again. I clean my bedroom every day. Dad polishes his shoes twice a week. So these are adverbs of frequency. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question how often an action is done. They are called adverbs of frequency. Okay, so always, never, every day, twice a week. So these are frequency. Next, adverb of time. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question when. Just we should ask the question when. They are called adverbs of time. For example, the train has already left. The train has already left. We moved into our new house last week. Okay. Our favorite TV program starts at 6 o'clock. Our favorite TV program starts at 6 o'clock. I'm going to my new school tomorrow. So these are adverb of time. Already, last week, 6 o'clock, tomorrow. So it mentioned as a time. So we can use that adverb of time. Adverb of time here, we shall now begin to work. Now. Okay. So we have underlined now. He called here a few minutes ago. I have spoken to him yesterday. He comes here daily. He comes here daily. Mr. Gupta formerly lived here. So these are adverbs of time. Next, adverb of quantity or degree. It shows how much or in what degree or to what extent. He was too careless. So quantity or degree we can use. Otherwise we can use adverb of quantity. Otherwise adverb of degree. He was too careless. The sea is very stormy. I am rather busy. I am fully prepared. I am fully prepared. These mangoes are almost ripe. So these are adverb of quantity or degree. Next, adverb of reason. The adverb which tells about a reason is called adverb of reason. He is hence unable to refute the charge. He therefore left school. So reasons. Okay. So if we have the reasons, a sentence, if you are identifying the adverbs and kinds of adverb, what kinds of adverbs? These are adverb of reason. He is hence unable to refute the charge. He therefore left school. So these are adverb of reason. Adverbs of affirmation and negation, which says yes if it is yes and no if it is no. For examples, I don't know. Surely you are mistaken. He certainly went. He certainly went. So these are adverb of affirmation and negation. Examples of adverbs: she sings sweetly. He speaks quite clearly. She shouts loudly. She smiled cheerfully. The traffic was moving slowly. She writes neatly. We waited patiently to see the doctor. So these are examples of adverbs. Okay, how will you identify the adverbs and then what kinds of adverbs? So we can easily identify that. Some examples of adverbs of different kinds. Tortoise walks manner slowly. Tortoise walks slowly. So what kinds of adverb? Adverb of manner. We will have our semester exams on April 1st week. So what kinds of adverb? Adverb of time. The accident happened near the highway. So this is place, no, highway. So adverb of place. At least twice a week I used to go for temple. So this is adverb of frequency. How often? It refers to that adverb of frequency. We all go for a picnic just for enjoyment. We all go for a picnic just for enjoyment, purpose, reasons. Okay, so what reasons you are going to the picnic? For enjoyment. So that purpose or reason we can use. So this is adverb of purpose or reason. The sea is very stormy. The sea is very stormy. Degree or quantity. Okay, adverb of degree or quantity. Surely you are mistaken. This is affirmation or negation. Surely. Okay, so this adverb of affirmation or negation. Try this exercise here. So 10 exercise they have given here. First one, his face was dirty and he was dressed in old clothes. So what kinds of adverb? Adverb of manner. Have you dash been in a plane? This frequency. Have you ever been in a plane? Adverb of frequency. She was so ill that she missed school for a week. It's duration also for a week. She was so ill that she missed school for a week. I did some homework last night and finished it this morning. So this is adverb of time. I did some homework last night and finished it this morning. So adverb of time. We went outside to play. Adverb of place, outside. Dad takes the dog for a walk every day. Dad takes the dog for a walk every day. That is adverb of frequency. Sally left her pencil case on the bus. So adverb of place. Speak clearly so everyone can hear you. Adverb of manner. Speak clearly. It was a fine day and the children played in the garden all day. Duration. Go and do your homework. I have already done it. Go and do your homework. I have already done it. This is adverb of time. So we can easily identify that what kinds of adverb. So I hope you all understood adverbs then kinds of adverbs. Thank you.